We'll guide you through how to download and install Iris shaders in Minecraft 1.21.7. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Iris shaders allows you to go and install shader packs. We'll guide you through the full process, don't worry. To get started though, you need to go and quit Minecraft like so. Then what you need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'll use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. What you then want to do is go and type in Iris shaders like so, add Minecraft just so we get to the right site, and you can come to the site irisshaders.dev. Here you can go and read about it, but to get it, press download now and press download universal jar. We've now got the jar to go and install Iris shaders. Now we need to go and get some shader packs. A great place we can get shader packs from is called CurseForge. There are other places as well, which you can go and check out. But let's come to curseforge.com and select Minecraft and press browse all at the top. And select shaders, and then you can start browsing through them. So there are lots of different packs here, and they're all gonna look slightly different. So what you can do is go through them and find your favorite. I'm a big fan of the complementary shader packs here, so I'm gonna go and click on them, and then you can go down, and often they're gonna have some pictures so you can see what they look like. But to go and download it, we can press files. And of course, what you can do as well is go and download different packs and go and see how they look and your favorite one. What you can then do is come to the right here and press the three dots and press download file. Shortly, the download will go and begin. You'll go and get a countdown. Once it goes and downloads, it'll go and be in your downloads folder, as you can see. Before we start the install process, a big thank you to Apex for sponsoring this video. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server, so if you're interested, there'll be a link down below in the description and in the pinned comment. And at the moment, you can get a discount off your first invoice as well. So to get started, go and scroll down. And then what we can do is go and see the different features here. One of my favorites is 24/7 servers and support, meaning you can get the help for your always online server whenever you need it, amongst many other great features as well. So if you're interested, go down below and check them out. Thanks to them for sponsoring this video. To continue with the install process though, we need to come and open up our file explorer and come to our downloads. We need to go and find the Iris installer. Double click on it like so, and it should then go and open. If it doesn't, open up a web browser of your choice. Then what you can do is you want to come to java.com and you need to go and download it for desktops. Run the installer, right click, hover over open with and press choose another app, select Java and press always, and it should then run. If it still doesn't, you may need to do something called a jar fix, which relinks jar and jar files together again. Then what you can do is go and select the game version 1.21.7 and we can then go and press install. It shouldn't take too long, it's now completed, it's that quick. Next, we need to come and open up Minecraft. So come to the launcher. Go to the left of the play button, and if it isn't automatically selected, select Iris and Sodium for 1.21.7. You do have to agree you are playing a modified version of Minecraft and press play. Here we are in a world. Pause the game by pressing escape, press options and then video settings, and at the top you can press shader packs. Go and press open shader pack folder. What we then need to do is go and add in the pack. So we can go and open up another file explorer. We can then go and drag and drop in the zip, like so. Then what you need to do is go and make sure the shaders are enabled and select the pack, and you can then go and press done. Of course, you can add other packs as well and switch between them. Unpause it, and here we are. We can go and see shaders, and I think they really enhance the game.